Dear friend, are you struggling to manage and improve your blood sugar levels? Do you feel overwhelmed by the challenge of managing diabetes? If so, then we have the solution for you. Our product is designed to help with both management and improvement of blood sugar levels. Our proprietary blend of natural ingredients provides a safe and effective way to control your diabetes without any side effects. In addition, our unique combination of vitamins, minerals, herbs and other nutrients helps keep your body in balance while improving overall health. We understand that managing diabetes can be challenging, but it doesn't have to be. With our product, you can take control of your life again with improved energy levels and better quality sleep. Plus, our formula has been clinically tested for safety and efficacy, so you can rest assured that it will work for you. Don't wait any longer. Now is the time to start taking action against diabetes. Place an order today and experience firsthand how our product can make a difference in your life. Act now before this offer expires. Sincerely yours.